Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about Trigonometry JEE MAINS and MCET Preparation Plan 2023. In this video, we are discussing. Let us have a discussion. The question here, if cos A by cos B equal to n and sin A by sin B equal to m, then the value of m square minus n square into sin square B is equal to. This is the question they are asking. So first, m square minus n square into sin square b. M value is this only now. M square minus n square into sin square b. M square, this value whole square. So sin square a divided by sin square b minus n square cos square a, this value whole square na, by cos square b into sin square b, which is equal to, keep bracket, sin square a into cos square b minus cos square a into sin square b divided by sin square b into cos square b into sin square b. So sin square b get cancelled. So this value whole square minus this value whole square, a square minus b square. So sin square a into cos square b means we can write it as, directly I am writing dear students, sin a cos b whole square minus cos a sin b whole square, a square minus b square, you know. So we can write it as a minus b into a plus b. Sin of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is one term into sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by cos square b. So the first bracket value, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, sin of a minus b formula, sin of a minus b. Second bracket value, sin of a plus b divided by cos square b. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. In terms of denominator, cos is there, no? So we need to write in terms of cos. Sin of a minus b into sin of a plus b is cos square b minus cos square a divided by cos square b. So which is equal to cos square b by cos square b 1 minus cos square a by cos square b, cos a by cos b whole square, which is equal to 1 minus cos a by cos b value is what? N. So n square. So the answer is 1 minus n square. M square minus n square into sin square b equal to 1 minus n square. So it is there in the first option, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, dear students. If 2 tan A plus cot A equal to tan B, then cot A plus 2 into tan A minus B equal to. So this is the question. So this is the condition is given. 2 tan A plus cot A is equal to tan B. So come to the required one. What is that required one? Cot A plus 2 times of tan A minus B. You have to write formula for tan of A minus B, dear students. So cot A plus 2 into tan of A minus B formula, keep bracket, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is the formula for tan of A minus B. Now simplification. The LCM is 1 plus tan A tan B. So direct multiplication with cot A into this value. Cot A into 1. So cot A plus cot A into this value. Cot A into tan A into tan B plus 2 times of 2 tan A minus 2 tan B. We know that tan and cot both are reciprocals. Tan A into cot A value 1. We know that tan A into cot A is equal to 1. So this value goes to be 1. So cot A plus this value is 1 into tan B plus 2 tan A minus 2 tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. After this, what you have to do is, given condition you can utilize 2 tan A plus cot A. 2 tan A plus cot A is there, no? In place of 2 tan A plus cot A, you replace with tan B. So cot A plus 2 tan A is tan B. Tan B plus tan B minus 2 tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. What about the numerator value, dear students? Tan B plus tan B, 2 tan B. 2 tan B minus 2 tan B is 0 only. 0 by anything is 0. So the answer is 0. Just you have to apply the formula of tan of A minus B, dear students, to get the answer. So the answer is B. Second option, answer is 0. We'll move on to the next question. The next question. In triangle PQR, angle R is pi by 2. So in triangle PQR, R is right angle. So the figure will come like this, dear students. Here angle Q, here angle P, here angle R. Angle R value is given 90 degrees only, no? So obviously sum of these two. From the figure, angle R equal to pi by 2, that implies that the sum of the angles P and Q should be equal to 90 degrees. I hope you understand from the figure, dear students. Here in the question, P by 2, Q by 2 terms are there. So I want to divide by 2. So P by 2 plus Q by 2 is equal to pi by 2 by 2. Pi by 4 will come. Tan terms are there. So taking tan on both sides. Tan of P by 2 plus Q by 2 is equal to tan pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? 1. In the next step we'll write it. It is in the form of tan of A plus B only, no? So tan P by 2 plus tan Q by 2 by 1 minus tan P by 2 into Q by 2. Tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Observe, dear students, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation where a is not equal to 0. For this, alpha beta are the roots. So sum of the roots, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a only, no? Product of the roots, alpha beta equal to c by a. In place of alpha and beta, you have to take tan p by 2 and tan q by 2. Sum of the angles only, no? So tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2, this value equal to minus b by a. So alpha value, this is beta value. Alpha plus beta by 1 minus alpha beta equal to 1. So alpha plus beta equal to 1 minus alpha beta. Alpha plus beta value is what? Minus b by a. 1 minus alpha beta value c by a. Take LCM. Minus b by a equal to a minus c by a. Both sides a get cancelled. Now among the options we will verify. A minus c relation is not there, but a plus c relation is there. A plus b relation is there. Minus c we can take this side, minus b we can take this side. So C is equal to minus B, I am taking this side, A plus B will come. So C is equal to A plus B. Is there no option? So it is there in the first option, dear students. Tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. So alpha I am taking as tan P by 2, beta I am taking as tan Q by 2. So sum of the roots here by 1 minus product of the roots. C equal to A plus B. We will move on to the next question, dear students. The next question, dear students. In triangle ABC, if tan B equal to 2 sin A sin C divided by sin of A plus C, then tan A, tan B, tan C are in first option arithmetic progression, second option geometrical progression, third option harmonic progression, fourth option arithmetic geometrical progression. See here, first condition we can utilize. The condition is tan B equal to 2 sin A sin C by sin of A plus B. If you want to expand sin of A plus B, better to write in the numerator. So what I am doing is sin of A plus C. Observe, dear students, here sin A plus C, if expand, it will come 2 terms now. So 2 terms, it will be big one. So that we can write always in the numerator. Sin A sin C, the product of 2 terms you can write in the denominator. So what I am planning is sin of A plus C I am taking this side and sin A sin C from this given information. So this is the information, tan B is equal to 2 sin A sin C divided by sin of A plus C. Sin of A plus C I am taking this side and sin of A sin A into sin C also can take this side. So sin A plus C divided by sin A sin C is equal to 2 by tan B. Sin of A plus C expansion you have to write it. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C divided by this value. Sin A cos sin C, sin A sin C is equal to 2 by tan B. Here sin A get cancelled, sin C get cancelled, cos C by sin C, cot C, cos A by sin A, cot A is equal to 2 into 1 by tan B can written as cot B. Clearly, cot C, cot A, cot C plus cot A equal to 2 cot B. So by observing, it is in the form of x plus z is equal to, otherwise in terms of AB only we will write it. A plus C is equal to 2B. Am I right? This is C, this is A, this is 2B. So A plus C equal to 2B means that implies what? A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. But if you write, they are asking tan A, tan B, tan C values, no? Write the reciprocals. Here better to keep these values also in the reciprocals. Cot C, we can write it as 1 by tan C plus 1 by tan A, 2 by tan B. These terms are in AP, so the reciprocals should be in a harmonic progression. The terms which are in AP, the reciprocals of AP terms which are in 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in harmonic progression. So therefore, that is 1 by A, 1 by tan A plus 1 by tan C equal to 2 by tan B. That is tan A, tan B, tan C are in harmonic progression. So harmonic progression is the right option which is there in the third option. We will move on to the next question, dear students. The next question, dear students. If A plus B plus C equal to pi by 2, then sigma cos of B plus C by cos B cos C equal to. First we need to simplify this value. So cos of B plus C by cos B cos C. Cos of A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos B cos C minus sin A sin B sin C whole divided by cos B, individual only I will divide, cos B cos C, cos B cos C. So these two will be cancelled now. So here I will write it, 1 minus sin B by cos B tan B, sin C by cos C tan C. So this value sigma, this value, only this value, 1 minus tan B tan C. So sigma in place of cos B plus C by cos B cos C value is 1 minus tan B tan C. So sigma applied for each and every term, sigma 1 minus sigma tan B tan C. Sigma 1 you have to extend whenever sigma is there related to A plus B plus C. 3 times you have to multiply. So sigma 1 from I equal to 1 to 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus sigma tan B tan C means tan B tan C plus tan A tan B plus tan C tan A. We know that it's very important result. Keep in mind, dear students. If A plus B plus C equal to pi by 2, sigma tan A tan B, that means is always equal to 1, that is tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1. This result in 4 marks VSAQs trigonometry in IP. In the playlist I have given the proof once you go through, dear students. So sigma tan A tan B equal to 1, even sigma tan B tan C also 1, sigma tan C tan A is also 1. So here sigma tan B tan C, this value is what? 1. So 1 plus 1 is 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So our required answer is 2. So therefore sigma cos of B plus C by cos B cos C. In place of this, sigma cos of A plus C by cos A cos C. In place of this, sigma cos of A plus C or A plus B, cos of A plus B by cos A cos B, that value is also equal to 2 only, dear students. So commonly we can, why? Because in the competitive exams they may change little changes, they may give little changes. So in place of B plus C, we may expect A plus B, here B A, like this they will ask, but answer will be same. I hope you understand. Move on to the next question. The next question, dear students. This question is very important. They will give in different ways the same question. Even in the inverse trigonometry also this question they will ask. Not only in trigonometry but also. Here 2 possibilities are there. One easy way I am going to explain. Why? Because the MCQs, no? So it's not like board exams, IPE. It is. Here alpha plus beta plus gamma value they are asking. I want alpha value, beta value, gamma value. One way is general way I am saying, taking tan on both sides. Why? Because tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma is there. Tan of A plus B plus C formula if you apply, you will get it answer. And the relation between R and XYZ also provided. If you go like this way, no, it will be very lengthy. It will take time from here to here. But even 2 times I have to rub the board, it will be very lengthy, and formula only, while writing the formula tan of A plus B plus C, it will be like this big formula. So instead of that, what I am going to do is, this is the shortcut way, put x is equal to y is equal to z. Put x is equal to y is equal to z. Then immediately we will get the values of alpha, beta, gamma. Before that, without loss of generality, we can take first shortcut formula means like this only some questions. Take x value, y value, z value as what? X only. So this result will becomes x square plus x square plus x square is equal to r square. Am I right? So 3x square is equal to r square. From that r makes subject. So r is equal to root 3 into x. So therefore, tan alpha equal to x value, y value, x only no. So x square by z value is also x. R value is what? Root 3x. X into x, x square by root 3 into x square. So that is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan alpha, when it will be 1 by root 3? That implies that alpha is equal to 30 degrees. 30 means what? Pi by 6. Similarly, if we calculate tan beta, even tan gamma, also, why? Because all are same values only, ultimately if you cancel, you will get 1 by root 3 only. That implies beta, that is equal to gamma, also pi by 6. So they are asking alpha plus beta plus gamma. So 3 times of pi by 6 plus pi by 6 plus pi by 6. So that is equal to 3 times of pi by 6. So 3 ones are 3 twos are pi by 2. Therefore, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2, which is there in the third option, dear students. This is the way we can do immediately. This is the shortcut trick. X equal to y equal to z, if you take, then r value will become as root 3x. So calculate tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma, and then alpha plus beta plus gamma is pi by 2 will come. If you go general method, tan of alpha plus beta plus gamma, you can apply that formula tan of a plus b plus c, and it will take much time. Instead of this 2-3 minutes, it will take more time. I hope you understand. We will move on to the next question. The next question, dear students. Tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus sin of a plus b plus c by cos a, cos b, cos c equal to. To solve this type of problems, you can always choose easiest method. This is always related to triangle ABC only, no? So sum of the angles should be equal to 180. Like this possibilities you can verify. First preparing sum on that, pi by 4, pi by 4, pi by 2, pi by 6, pi by 6, pi by 6. Like this angles you can take it. This is option verification method. It will be best method. Suppose if you want to expand sin of a plus b plus c by taking a plus b is one angle, c is another angle. After that expanding it will take time. So for that what I am doing is put a equal to b equal to c equal to 60 degrees. Why? Because a plus b plus c equal to 180 only now. It satisfies. It is related to triangle only. So whenever a plus b, a, b, c values are 60. Check out that a plus b plus c equal to 180, sin 180 is 0, 0 by anything is 0. So this value goes to be tan 60 plus tan 60 plus tan 60. Minus 0, sin 0, 0, sin 180 will come, sin 180 is 0, 0 by anything is 0. So tan 60, 3 times of tan 60. What is tan 60? 3 into root 3. So among the options, which option is having 3 root 3? That we can verify. RHS value we got it. A equal to B equal to C equal to 60 degrees, substitute in the first option. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So is it equal to 3 root 3? Satisfies now. So first option is satisfying means first option is the right option. No need to go for any option. I hope you understand, students. A equal to B equal to pi by 4 and C equal to 90. Like this way you can take tan 90 infinity and define. We cannot take for this case. So this is the right suitable substitution shortcut formula for this question. We will move on to the next one. The next question, if B, A plus B are acute angles, sine of A plus B equal to 12 by 13, sine B equal to 5 by 13, then the value of sine A. So sine A they are asking. So sine A equal to, here the turning step is angle A in terms of A plus B and B you have to write it. So sine of, can we write like this, A plus B minus B, that means minus B plus B get cancelled, A only now, it is in the form of sine of A minus B. Sine of A minus B formula, sine A, that means sine A plus B into cos B minus cos of A plus B into sine B. So in this sine B and sine of A plus B values we have. So cos A plus B sine B you can calculate. So here roughly I am calculating. Cos of A plus B is equal to, so root over 1 minus 144 divided by 169. So 25 by 60 means 5 by 13. So this is about cos of A plus B, dear students. Similarly cos B. So root over 1 minus 25 by 169. So 144 means 12 by 13. So these values substitute and get it answer, these students. Sine of A plus B 12 by 13. Cos B value 12 by 13 minus cos of A plus B 5 by 13. Sine B value 5 by 13. So 12 12s are 144 by 169 minus 25 by 169. So 14 minus 5, 9 will come. So 3 minus 2, 1, 1, 9 by 169. This is the value of sine A. So the value of sine A is 119 by 169, which is there in the second option, dear students. I hope you enjoyed this session. Still, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can write to my comment box. In my free time, I will respond to you, dear students. If you want, whatever the concept you want, you require, you put in my inbox, like a comment box. Whenever I have free time, in that I will, in the meanwhile, I will make the videos for your convenience. Thank you for your support. If you really like these videos, please share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.